today's a beach day. We're going to hop on a bus. I'm not quite sure which beach we're going to. The bus that we're taking just says Beaches of the East, so maybe we get to choose. I don't know. Bus leaves at 9. We need to go find some breakfast. Probably just gonna go get a ham and cheese sandwich, which is what, maybe some fruit. Ham and cheese sandwich though is like what all the locals eat, mostly because they're so cheap. It'll be like 20 cents, I think, hopefully. First attempt of local street food for breakfast was a success. Got a nice little ham sandwich, it's warm. It's good.
Nathan wouldn't let me buy the cookies.
I forgot to say, these were about 50 cents each. Worth every penny.
So, we just got on the bus to go to the beach. We were told which bus we needed to take and what time is left, but when we got on, we didn't have to pay. There's no postage as far as where it's taking us. So we're not sure which beach we're going to or if there's multiple stops. We're just sitting on a bus and we don't know exactly where we're going.
But it has air conditioning.
Oh yeah, it feels great.
We made it to the beach, made a new friend. Beach, Mar Azul. Pretty open. I lost my sunglasses. I don't know if I said that before, but I lost them. I need to find somebody who's selling sunglasses. This feels great.
So nice.
I told her I look like a beautiful model. That's what she did. She's my beautiful model.
I've got salt in my eye.
Oh. It's funny, Amber and I have talked about maybe we should sound a little more confident when we try to tell information, but really we tell it with the amount of confidence that we have when we do it, and that's all part of traveling. Get on this bus, go to this place, go and see it. What's there? I don't know. I guess you just have to take a lot of chances, really. Follow the people, follow the crowds, eat what they eat, and most of the time you won't go wrong. A little something we learned since coming to the beach. So we got on a bus and the description just said Beaches of the East. You get on and it takes you to a bunch of different hotels and they all have beaches in front of them. The bus comes every 30 minutes. It's 5 CUC to go there and come back and walk along the beach, visit every single one of them, and then go back whenever you want. I think we're going to get some chairs and an umbrella, maybe some drinks and some food.
Maybe some drinks. Are you kidding me? Of course we're drinking.
Chairs and some drinks. These things are stronger than Arnold Schwarzenegger. Try it. Drink that. Oh man. Alright, maybe you just had to mix it up yourself a little bit. That first sip is very strong.
I'm not having any issues over here. This was, how much? $2.
$2.50.
Oh.
50. We ordered some food on the beach. He brought us a whole table. That is top-notch service. So we ordered, I think, chicken strips and fried plantains. He pointed to the menu a lot. I don't know what's coming. If anything, I don't know, we might get some vegetables or something. He was talking really fast.
We got 2 more pina coladas for the show.
Yeah, that too.
I want his chips.
Want one?
I'll just take a bite of yours. Uh-oh. And our pina coladas have arrived.
Amigo, salsa caliente, hot sauce, mild, spicy. Little or strong? Little.
Good choice.
Gracias. Okay, that all happened so fast.
I got most of it on my phone.
I got a tamale, and Amber saw something else that she was like, oh, that looks good. So I got her that too. Why not? And look at our service.
Anyway, so $20 for some food on the beach with your honey. I had mentioned earlier that I didn't really know where all of our food was coming from. So that was the entrance to the beach, and all of our food that was brought to us from the beach was prepared here under these tents. And now we're just gonna go walk and try to find the bus stop. But it's not the same bus stop that we got off at, so don't actually have any idea where it's at yet. This might go without saying if you're a little smarter than Nathan and I. But I bought baby sunscreen because I thought that, oh, that'd be really coverage, like really protective. Oof. Yeah, no, we are very white and very protected in some locations where we put the sunscreen, and in others, not so much. So, yeah. Don't buy baby sunscreen.
A little bit about the room. We left our good friend and wonderful host Pancho yesterday and booked a different Airbnb, slightly cheaper, just a different area, just to get a little bit more of the flavor of Havana, and you get what you paid for. Our host was very nice, very welcoming. The room is spacious. And that's about the best thing about it. The Casa Particulars do the best with what they can. This is not a knock on any of those people. It's just not going to be good enough for us, and we're going to see if we can find something different. If we can't, then this is where we are, and we will survive. It will be okay.
Okay, so Nathan and I had to bite the bullet and get Wi-Fi for an hour. Normally we're not this picky, we're not this particular about where we're staying, but in the Havana heat, air conditioning is kind of necessary. That's broken. We need good rest before the race, and it's just not easy to sleep. So then, on top of the air conditioning, the first time I used the toilet this morning, the toilet just broke. No water, no flushing, nothing. The shower was barely operable, and the window. There's no glass, no nothing. It's just a big cutout in the wall. So our heads were basically sticking outside. So we just spent a little extra, more than we wanted to. And you guys are gonna see what that looks like in just a little bit.
New place, new host, already amazing. First drink. We're gonna go up to the roof and see that. Nice and quiet. Looks brand new, looks beautiful. Worth every penny. Did I find this place or did you?
I did.
It was a group effort.
I found
Group
it
effort.
because I was willing to look at higher priced places. So when we were considering rebooking, like frantically searching because we had 1 hour of Wi-Fi, we were still looking in like the $13 a night range, maybe $20 a night. This one's $70. So that's definitely a lot pricier. But what's $70 a night for 4 or 5 nights? When you have every comfort, every amenity,
everything.
I mean,
Good
safety.
hosts. And we were so lucky that we are on Airbnb. If we had to go anywhere else and pay with cash, there's so many other doors around here with signs that say, hey, room for rent, You can probably knock on the door, get a room for rent, but you have to pay in cash. And so that would totally limit the rest of our week for what we would be able to do. This, we were able to pay with a credit card because we booked it through Airbnb, and we're good to go. Honestly, we've been here 4 days? We've been here 4 days, and including our $30 ride from the airport, I think we've spent $200. I am just so happy and relaxed right now. I don't know if you can tell, but we are all like so burnt and red.
I'm sure these people are downstairs making
like
fun of us right now.
A hot mess. So now we have to jet across town, get our bags from the old host Airbnb, come back, and I don't know if we're gonna lay low tonight. We might go out. We met some friends.
I don't want to meet them.
New people at the beach, so we might go to a bar to meet up with our new friends. One more coconut ride. We're at Fabrica De Arte. It's a very popular bar here in Havana. Anthony Bourdain came here. That's how I found it. And it's supposed to encompass all kinds of art: painting, music, anything else, dance, and we're really excited to be here. It's $2 COC to get in. I thought it was going to be a lot more expensive, but not bad. They give you a little card, and they write down everything that you order throughout the night, and then when you leave, you pay that way. Don't lose your card. 30 COC if you lose your card. And you're in a completely different world. This is what an interesting place.